Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again. We're another Nikkei Gods of Victory. So sorry about the sounds. There's a construction there outside our apartment. So this is just a very short and sweet video telling you guys what are the coupon codes right now. So you just go to your bell icon there in your menu. Once you go to the bell icon, go down below and then click the redemption code link. Okay, so once you're there, it's gonna be leading you to this, and then we're gonna write it down, puny queen. So maybe that's what the original queen is telling Marian. She's very puny. So we're gonna get quite a lot of CD keys here. So next would be I am Nayuta. I am Nayuta, the monk. Okay, that's the second CD key. Third would be thanks for 970,000. So thanks for THX for 970 123. I hope it's still there. Okay, so thanks for 970,000. And then I'm not quite sure if this one is still on. The wave is coming. We'll see. The wave is coming. I'm not quite sure if it's still active. Okay. The wave coming. So it's not is the wave coming. The wave coming. Okay, so it's still there. So next would be, let's continue. Stop N. Let's see if this one is still active. Stop N 0924. Oop, what's that? Is it like it's stop N? Stop N 0924. Oops, not working. STOP. And then N. Let's see if this one working. 0924. Okay, so it's invalid. So next would be I think that's it for the moment. Those are the active coupon codes. So please do get those coupon codes at the moment. So I'll see what we have right now. What did we get? So hopefully quite a few. So we get nice CD key rewards. Let's claim this. What do we get here? Okay, this one pulls. Ooh, we got a synchro expansion. That's good. Good. We got this and we got this as well. Growth set. So those are the coupon codes right now that's currently existing. So if you're enjoying the content, that's to bolster your resources moving forward with Nikkei Gods of Victory. So if you have any more coupon codes that are active, please do comment down in the comment section down below so that we can help the community as well. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.